there's no good saying I'm too old to do this. I just retired. If you're retired, you've got plenty of time. Okay? So, we're going to sing a piece now. It's called Perfect Memory Squire. It tells you who does what the characters are like, and it's very good, so mind to it. So, just listen to who does what, and then you see where you might fit in when you come up next Monday night. We start having ourselves. We finish about 9:15. So, women, you will have them back by just after 10. So you have about 3 hours on your own of a Monday night if you want to. Sounds good. Somebody said sounds good. Whisper your mouth shut, like that I hear.
Hot water, tuneful sound we hear in the air. Yes, so pleasing on the ear. Voices combining in such sweet harmony. What are these wondrous tones we hear? Basses resounding in such sweet rolling tones. Baritones rich and mellow tenors with music to inspire. Now come along and listen to the sound of a male voice choir. We are the second bass, the dethroned men. We sing as low as we can. We are the baritones who always are in tune. Modesty is our middle name. All tenors always singing sweet calls and tones. These reasons of the bass's tones. We are the second tenors, and we're left with the notes which the others don't want. We have a comprehensive repertoire. We sing every mood and style. We can be valiant fellows, upright and true, brave and thoroughly worthwhile. But then at other times we're not quite so pure. Bandits, vagabonds and worse. More about the characters we sometimes portray we'll reveal in the very next verse. Soldiers, soldiers, marching on parade, keeping time with the band. Splendid in our uniform displaying the smartest in the land. We're sailor men, sailing on the briny sea, climbing up the rigging, strumming down the decks, such big stars are we. Fighting the pirates, searching for gold, trying to tame the stormy main. When we reach harbor safely, then we'll be jolly sailor men. If at night you chance to walk the street, you do best to stay at home. Footpath robbers, highwaymen or thieves, in disguises we do roam. such sweet